Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to reset the password of your Twitch account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your Twitch account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Twitch app. Here we go. At the top left corner, you can see your profile. Tap on that. Now here you can see different options. Go to settings option. Here I go. Now tap on security and privacy option. Tap on password. Now enter your current password here. Now enter your new password here. Confirm your new password here. After you have filled up on this information, tap on done. In this way, you can easily reset your Twitch account password. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.